Hey Bookbees, I'm dyslexic. So when I started school, I struggled more than most students. I struggled to read and write. I didn't know which way letters went. P's looked like D's, B's looked like P's, so I struggled. I actually seemed to be allergic to print. Well, that's what my mum said. It took us 6 years to realise what was wrong with me. But in the holidays between year 6 and year 7, I was diagnosed with dyslexia, a learning disability that made it difficult to read and write. Something that I might have for the rest of my life. That I will have for the rest of my life. It took me to year 9 to pick up a book that I was going to fully read. Even though my sister was trying for years to get me to read Harry Potter, it wasn't what I felt was right. Until one day she was like, I know you won't read Harry Potter, but will you read Percy Jackson? It's about a boy who has ADHD and dyslexia. And I was like, sure. And from that point on, I haven't really put down a book. Percy taught me that I wasn't alone with having this learning disability. He taught me, though I had a learning disability, I could still achieve things. And I have. Over the last 6 years, I've read over 150 books because dyslexia won't take over and stop me reading. So that's how I became a reader, all thanks to one book that changed my life. So, my question for you, how did you become a reader? Comment down below.